Hey, this is Matt Spees with Graceful Insight. I'm going to show you how to replace this bumper fender bracket on a 2013 Chevy Volt. This will be the same process for 2011 to 2015 Volts. This is the driver's side. As you can see, there's supposed to be three tabs. I have two of them broken. This is a replacement fender that I had purchased, and I thought maybe it would still work, but it doesn't really work. So I've got some two-sided sticky tape in there to kind of hold it in, but it kept popping out. So I ordered a new piece. It's got three tabs there, and that should hold the bumper in nice and good as it should. So I need to drill out those four rivets and then secure the new one into place. In order to get to this step, you need to loosen, or I guess remove, these four screws on the side of the splash guard. And then I went ahead and undid these four screws and push pins across the top as well. I've got a video to show you how to remove the entire bumper, and you can follow that process to get to this step. I'm gonna go ahead and start with a 7/64 drill bit and see where that takes me. This is a 1/8 bit. Nine 64ths. 5/32. So now, alright, so 5/32 is what took it out eventually. I'm gonna start with 5/32 with this one and see what happens. Ooh, that was. Alright, there we go. 5/32 is the ticket. That'll draw it right out. Okay. So next I will need to figure out how to secure that new one in. I plan on using some screws and nuts, and we'll see how that works. For the top hole, I'm going to go ahead and use this little kind of washer, threaded washer, and screw. Okay. I'm going to use just a nut and screw. Okay, got that one. And I don't plan on taking these things off, so I'm going to use some of this thread lock. That should help keep it secure and from coming loose in the future. I'm going to put a little thread lock on that. Alright, it's kind of a hodgepodge, but it's done. So I've got it re-secured in all 4 spots with all 4 different sizes of screws and nuts, but it should hold. And I'll get a test fit here in a minute and we'll see if it works. I got the top of the bumper secured, so now there we go. Yes. Okay. Good. So that should hold in place now with those 3 tabs in place. Again, still not perfect. This car was in an accident. Previous owner hit a deer, but that should hold that piece in place now. It kept popping out with temperature and whatnot. Yeah, so that should secure. I'll get these 4 bolts or screws secured on the side, and it'll be all done for another repair on the Volt. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks. Have a great day.